Good Wednesday morning, everybody. A lot to get to in terms of what we are dealing with Francine. Expected to make landfall here west of New Orleans later today as a Category 1 storm, and then pretty much move right up toward us in the tri-state, sitting and spinning near Cape Girardeau, Missouri here by Friday night. This is the official hurricane forecast, but remember, all of this is the cone of uncertainty. It could end up anywhere within this cone, and you look at the models here, the hurricane models. Still a little bit of uncertainty here, mainly clustered across southwest Tennessee into northeast Arkansas. But, big changes, will come if it's a little bit further to the west, a little bit further to the east. That will make huge ramifications as to the duration and the amount of rainfall that we see across the tri-state. So you're really going to want to keep checking back with us for updates. But a very wet period Friday and Saturday looks likely. Not wet today. Just a flood of sunshine we'll see. Warmest day of the week with temperatures right around 90 degrees. Also later today, we will start out with lots of sunshine, but the high-level cloudiness from Francine will absolutely make its way into parts of the tri-state, especially after sunset. You notice here comes that cloud cover. No showers associated with it. That will take until probably late in the day on Thursday before we really start to see some of that organized rainfall move in with Francine. You notice here by the lunch hour just starting to get to the south of us and creep into the picture. We're also worried about excessive rainfall that could result in flash flooding for Thursday. You notice here that a pretty good risk here across far western areas with that decreasing the further east you go. But this could be a multi-day event. So not just Thursday, Friday as well, we could be looking at that excessive rainfall. So make sure that you don't drive through flooded roadways over the next couple of days, because that's certainly a possibility here. Highs in the 90s today. Again, as I said, the warmest day of the week. Mild tonight, only falling into the 60s for our lows. And then you look at the extended forecast. A wet and windy day on Friday. We could see winds gusting 25, 30 miles an hour as that system kind of winds down. Remnant showers could be in the forecast here both Saturday and maybe even Sunday and lasting into Monday. It just depends on what that circulation ends up doing. So again, keep checking back with us for updates on Francine.